Today, corporations rule the world. The largest multinational companies have incomes greater than most nations. Corporations make our laws because they are granted the right to buy our representatives. If you carefully analyze the major problems confronting humanity today, global warming, environmental disasters, you will find corporations at the root of all these problems. Environmental degradation on a global scale is largely traced to the careless exploitation of resources and the absence of legal protection against corporate abuse. To that end, a movement has begun in Colorado to overthrow the rule of corporations and to reestablish the sovereignty of the people. I introduce to you today the initiative for a second Bill of Rights. In 2012, along the Front Range, several cities will be given the opportunity to vote on amendments to the Bill of Rights. As an outline, this is just an outline for the second Bill of Rights. It would address the following points. It would enshrine in our Constitution the notion that the rights explained therein are for human beings alone. The second Bill of Rights will guarantee equality before the law for all persons, regardless of race, religion, sex, or wealth. The second Bill of Rights will guarantee equality of access in the halls of Congress to all people, regardless of the same race, religion, sex, or economic status. This Bill of Rights will clarify for all times that human beings are considered persons, and only persons may participate in politics. It would enshrine into law that greatest principle of democratic equality: one person, one vote. This Bill of Rights rejects the aristocratic notion of wealth privilege. It rejects the idea that greater wealth grants greater access to our representatives. This Bill of Rights will enshrine into the Constitution the sovereignty of the people and the right of the people to self-rule. The second Bill of Rights will deny corporations the rights that are granted to real persons. It would deny them access to the people's representatives. It would ban for-profit corporations from participation in the political process. Finally, this new Bill of Rights will guarantee that your rights and liberties are not left at the doorstep of your places of work. It will guarantee that all workers are stakeholders in their enterprises, and that they have the right to vote for those who govern them in the economic sphere of life.